What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, the video you're about to watch, I did have an intro for that video. Unfortunately, it got lost with a few of the clips when we was working on it. Don't ask, I don't know, it happens. But anyway, guys, so the video you're about to watch is of a customer's 17 Mustang GT that we went through and did quite a bit of work on it. If you've been watching my other videos, I kind of talked about it here and there in the last couple videos. But anyway, 17 GT, we put a Hellhorse twin turbo kit, head studs, valve springs, 4 fuel system, DSS 2000 horsepower axles, built trans by our trans builder that we're now using, a Circle D torque converter, and aluminum drive shaft. Am I missing anything? So we got head studs, valve springs, twin turbo kit, four fuel system, axles, drive shaft, injectors.
Nope, that's it.
No, that's it. I think that's it, guys. But anyway, and it was tuned by Wengerd Performance. So we're going to shoot right to the dyno. There you go, 670 on wastegate. 670 on wastegate on pump gas. 670. Corrected 681. Uncorrected was 701. So we got 681 SAE. Now I will say that we are octane limited right now. It was pulling 2 degrees of timing, but everything's good to go. We're about ready to swap it out and put it on E85. All right, this right here is how I drain the fuel, guys. I've had a couple people ask me. Is basically I take the line that's coming back to the regulator, take it off, hook it up to a fuel line, and then run it out into a jug right there. And then we'll put the pumps on, put a drain tune in and put the pumps on and run it all out, and then we'll switch it over to E85. That's the second jug.
The second jug, yeah.
Still on wastegate, just switch it over to E85. We're at 739 horsepower. We'll let Daryl look at it, see if he wants to make any tweaks, and then we're going to start ramping up the boost. like
837.
837 on 12 pounds. Well, around 12 and a half.
Was that 8,000?
No, that was 7,500 again.
Oh,
76. I don't know, but I knew it's gonna make over 800.
All right, guys, so we made 837 horsepower and 706 foot-pound of torque. Gotta love turbos. Now, that was around 12-ish, 12 and a half boost, but yeah, she made good power there. Crank, estimated crank horsepower, SAE correction, is 999. So yeah, we're there. So 834, the customer wants to stop it there. Now, we did put in oil pump gears, crank sprocket, we put in head studs, and we did put in valve springs, but he's gonna stop it right there, and it's not bad. A little over 12 pounds of boost.
And okay, I know you can't feel it there on the other side of the camera, but just feel it here and see that car rear up.
Yeah.
Got a 40-year-old. See here, brake torque it, spool the turbos. It's not gonna hook up at all, because of those tires. But you can load up the boost and just let it go, and it's insane.
But if you do that and you don't brake boost it, would it hook then?
No, actually, I'm gonna show you that. It's just not gonna hook. But if we were to ride into it a little bit,
You might try to hook.
yeah, you would roll into it just a little bit. Yeah, still not. That's doing 100, still just skating the tire, you know.
Definitely.
Like even like I said right here, this would be a 70-year-old. That's only at below 5,000 RPMs, and that's barely.
And that's on wastegate pressure?
Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah, and that ain't, like I said, that's
That ain't nothing like when you had it on the dyno while ago.
And that was not near our peak power. It's just keeping the RPMs real low. We're here to see if it'll let us get one. I'd let it do one shift on us. We'll kind of roll into it and let it shift out. And it'll let us hook.
That's the only way to just ease into that.
And even then, that was doing 110 still.
Golly. The shift's good too, don't it?
Yeah, that shit's good.
Man, I
Like
love
I
the
said,
6 already.
you'll feel the turbo. It'll take a minute to spool, but still don't lag much at all.
It ain't no bother at all, is it?
No, not at all.
All right, guys, so as you can see, it put down 837 horsepower. That is on a loaded Mustang dyno, SAE correction factors. And I know, guys, before anybody says it, it's got valve springs, it's got head studs, it could have did more. Yes, it could have done more, but the customer only wanted around 800 horsepower, and that's what we gave him. He did ask how much he could bump it up if he gets it back and he decides once he's drag racing it, how much more he wants, and we kind of talked about that. And also, he will be in the future, we've already been started talking about putting a built short block in the car. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, all the information for this shop is down in the description. Hit us up. We can hook you up with a Hellhorse twin turbo kit, Vortex setup, whatever you want, we can hook you up with. Let us know. All the information down in the description. But guys, we will see you in the next one.